These plant growth animal videos are exploding right now, and some creators are pulling in millions of views per post. I found an Instagram page posting these exact videos, and one of them has already crossed 200 million views. Yeah, you heard that right? This isn't just a trend, it's a full-on content goldmine. In today's video, I'm going to break down step by step how to create these viral plant animal videos using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you watch till the end, because one small mistake can completely ruin your results. Now let's get started. The first step to creating these viral AI plant animal videos is generating high-quality image prompts. Head over to ChatGPT, click on GPTs, then select Explore GPTs and search for Restoration Time-Lapse. Click on it and hit Start Chat. This will open up the full creation interface. Next, go to the Google Doc link in the description. Copy the prompt provided and paste it into ChatGPT. Now here's the important part. Customize the prompt by replacing the animal you want to feature in your video. For this tutorial, we'll use a lion. Make sure you input your chosen animal in both required sections of the prompt for the best results. Once that's done, hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed cinematic image prompts along with matching video prompts that you'll use later to animate your images. Now that you've created your prompts, the next step is generating high-quality images. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and clicking on Create with Flow. Then log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on New Project to open the image generation interface. Before generating anything, make sure you set your aspect ratio to 9:16, portrait mode. This is crucial for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Next, choose the number of image variations you want. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and paste it directly into the prompt box in Flow AI. Then click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get high-quality, ultra-detailed images based on your prompt. Carefully review each result and select the one that looks the most realistic, cinematic, and then download it to your device. To generate your second image, upload the first image into Flow AI as a reference. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy your second image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate again. This will give you your second image. Download it to your device. Now repeat this exact process for your third and fourth images, always using the previous image as a reference to maintain visual consistency and smooth transformation across your video. The next step is to turn your images into video clips. Head back to Flow AI and switch to the video generation section. Start by uploading your first image as frame 1 and your second image as frame 2. This creates a smooth transformation between the two scenes. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. You'll see it clearly labeled for image 1 and image 2. Then return to Flow AI and paste that prompt directly into the prompt box. Once everything is set, click Generate. And within moments, the AI will create a high-quality, ultra-realistic cinematic video clip from your images. Preview your result. Notice the smooth motion and realistic transformation. If it looks good, go ahead and download the video to your device. To create your second clip, repeat the exact same process. Upload your second image as frame 1 and your third image as frame 2. Then copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Continue this process for all remaining clips to complete your full sequence. The final step is to combine all the video clips and edit them together, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut, click New Project, and import your clips in the correct order for a smooth flow. Next, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. If any of your clip has any watermark, click on the clip, then stretch it till the watermark disappears. To make the video flow more smoothly, we're going to add transitions between each clip. Simply click on Transitions, and you'll see a variety of transition effects available. Choose the one you like best, then click Apply to All, so the transition is automatically added between every clip. Once you're done editing, click on Export. For the best quality, increase the resolution to 4K, and then download the final video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions.